Everyone telling you to start a new business, create a new content and grind from zero. But why work that hard? Amateur start from scratch, but professional hijack asset that others have already built. Today's video I am teaching you digital sniping. I am going to show you how to seize expired domain website name abandoned by big companies and film them for thousands of dollars. It is not illegal, it is just being the smarter than the competition. What is expired domain? Every single day, thousands of websites go offline because their owner forget to renew their domain name. Remember, these are not just names, these are assets. Some of these domains had millions of dollars spent on their SEO, thousands of backlink, and massive authority on Google. A new domain cost maybe $10, but a powerful expired domain can be worth $10,000. Your job is to find the diamond sitting in the trash. Step 1, you don't have to search Google manually. You go to site like expireddomains.net or Spamzilla. You set your filters. Look for domains with high domain authority and a clean history. Remember, you are not just buying a name. You are buying 10 years of trust and Google ranking for the piece of a cheap launch, $10 to $20. You are buying a head start that others spent years trying to build. Now there are two steps to get paid. Route 1, you buy the domain for $10 and list it on GoDaddy auction or set up for $500 to $20,000. When a competitor sees that their rebel's old domain is up to grabs, they will pay a premium to own it. Route 2, buy the domain and point it to your own website or affiliate offer. Instantly, you get thousands of organic visitors without spending a cent of ads. Step 3, risk versus reward. People will tell you it is risky. I say not knowing the value of what you are looking at is the real risk. If you can't spot a diamond in the gutter, you deserve to work someone else. Like I told you before, stop scaling chaos, start scaling system. You are not gambling, you are playing data and value. If you want to know exactly how to check domain backlink history, so you don't waste your $10, let me in comment. So we'll see you next video. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye.